This is a PCI Express PCIe X1 to USB 3.0 adapter card. It is a small expansion card designed to add a USB 3.0 port to a desktop computer motherboard through a PCIe slot. The gold-plated edge connector at the bottom is the PCIe X1 interface, which plugs directly into a PCIe slot on the motherboard. The blue-colored USB port on top indicates that it is a USB 3.0 SuperSpeed port. PCIe, Peripheral Component Interconnect Express, is a high-speed serial expansion interface used in modern computers for graphics cards, network cards, storage controllers, and other expansion devices. This particular card uses a single PCIe lane, X1, which provides sufficient bandwidth for one USB 3.0 port. USB 3.0 supports data transfer speeds up to 5 gigabps, which is much faster than USB 2.0, 480 megabps. The small components on the PCB, printed circuit board, include a USB controller chip and supporting passive components like capacitors and resistors. The controller converts PCIe signals from the motherboard into USB protocol signals.